Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Sabrent 4-port USB 3.0 hub with individual power switches, and also the Roswell 4-port USB 2.0 hub. Okay, now let's open the box up and see what they look like. Yeah. There we go. Let's get this guy out of our way here so we can move on to important things. I'll start first with the USB 3.0 hub 4-port with individual power switches. Okay. Yeah. Let's see the front real quick. This the rear. Okay. Nothing in there. This is the comes out of the container. So it's in this thick foam. And this wants to extend your warranty. Alright, here it is. Comes out of this hard foam block they send you. It's pretty good. I like the way they packaged it. Cable, not too long. USB cable. Now here it is. The 4 USB 3.0 ports. Okay. And then you can see each one has their own switch. So you don't have to have them all at the same time. You can turn them on individually. That's what I really like about this one. So there's no confusion of which one you're using or which one you're not using. You have to press the button and which one you want to use, which ones you want to turn off. You can keep them all in here and then just press the button whenever you want to use a certain one, or take them out and remove them, whichever way you want to do it. But that's one of the reasons I bought this one, for the individual control of each USB port. Okay. Now move on to the next one. This is an older USB. It's a USB 2.0 hub. Okay. Get my assistant out. Let's see if I. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, all right. Assistant did a pretty good job on that. Okay. All right. This is all that. It's with the Roswell one. Just like the other one. Not a lot of instructions. Just straight to the point. It's a USB. Deal with it. So this is the USB 2.0. And it is 4-port. 2 here, 2 over here. And then it has your indicator light right here in the corner. That flashes when it's being used. Or when it has power. This light will be on. Okay. So whatever situation you have, you need the 2.0 USB 4-port. Roswell, I recommend it. Good price. You know, get your 4 ports. Or you can use the Sabrent, as I call it. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. but the light comes on around each switch. So that's the LED indicator for this one. Around the switch, the lights will come on when you have the button down, so you'll know which one's going. That's the indicator around the switches. Okay. So this is the 3.0. This is what's going on right now. So I love this model. I have more of these. I recommend these most of the time, you know, based on the individual switches. That's why I love these. So that's why I recommend these ones. Okay. So if you're going to get one, and this was helpful for you, you choose one of these, either the 3.0 or the 2.0, whatever your situation might be. But as always, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope it helps you in the future. Bye-bye.